Hi guys, waiting for Nanny. She's visiting her friends, so I've been for a walk down through Bedmister charity shops, found a couple of wooden kits, so I'm happy. £1 each, so I'm even happier, the right sort of price. The fly, I just did a 3D printed one a few weeks back, so that's interesting. And then the other one, praying mantis. That one's laser cut. The other one is die cut. Yeah, they'll go into my stock. We're actually in a courtesy car today, an electric Corsa. So I haven't got any of my normal stuff. Anyway, that'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.